Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Hope you're having a fantastic Thursday. We got the GDP numbers out this morning. They showed that we are officially in a recession, which is exactly what I said I thought they would do. And I said that I thought it would be the best thing possible for the market right now. And I gave my reasons for that. So let's talk about how the market did. S&P up 1.25%. The Dow Jones up 1.03 and the Nasdaq up 1.08. VIX down nearly 4% on the day. That's a good day in the market. Very happy with that. We talked about the stocks that I wanted to keep an eye on today. Had some stocks, had our stop losses. I said that if we had a pullback in the market, which I was kind of expecting, I said that we'd let our stop losses kick us out and look at rotating back in at a lower price. What stocks was we talking about? IMPP. Now, I took a position into that this morning at 41.85 cents. Currently down just a little bit on that position. Not worried about that. If it pulls on down closer to our 39 cent, 40 cent price target, I'll just average down. Pretty happy with the first position there if we was to get a break up tomorrow. Now, Nvidia, our stop loss did kick us out. We had bought in at $165, kicked us out at $178 for an 8.4% gain. Fantastic gain. And then rotated, picked it right back up at $175 today. So I think that's a good little point to ride it up a few more dollars. We're up in the after hours. In fact, Nvidia ended up closing at right at $180, so we're up almost $5 a share on that position already. Now, the next stock that I want to talk about is Coinbase. Coinbase dropped down this morning. We let our stop loss kick us out on it. Kicked us out at $59.05. Now, we had bought in at $53.05. That gave us a nice little gain of 11.3% ROI on that trade. Dropped back down, took another position out in it at $55.80, and we've currently rode that up. In fact, Coinbase is up over $62 at close, and I'm still holding that. Keep a tight stop loss on it. I want to see how far it'll push up in the morning. So that's what I'm doing with Coinbase. Let's see here. We're still holding our Signature Bank. We bought some Signature Bank yesterday. We didn't get kicked out on it. Still holding, and it's looking good. Signature Bank is up at close, looking at 185. And we picked that up yesterday at 175, so already up $10 a share on our Signature Bank stocks. And Walmart, we bought Walmart yesterday at 122. Walmart ended up closing. We didn't get kicked out of that position, and ended up closing up near the 130, which I said I was looking for this to push back up in that 130 to about 132, 133 range. We're still holding. We'll see how the morning plays out on that. Now, along with those, I said I was going to be looking for anything that looked like it was getting overly beat down today, with the forward thought that I thought we were setting ourselves up for a good run next week. Now, I did take another position out. This is not one we talked about this morning, but I did take it out. I hope you had it on your watch list. You've seen it beat down, and that is Alibaba. And that's ticker symbol BABA. I seen it. It was beat down almost 6% when I seen it today. Took a position in it at $97.50. We ended up closing the day out at just over $100, so that position is already up about 3%. Very happy with that to go along with the rest of our positions. Going to set us up for a fantastic close on our week this week. As always, I've got a stop loss on all these. If they were to pull back, it'll kick me out and we'll have a good profit. And if we have a run up tomorrow, it's just going to increase those profit margins, and that's how you play trades like this. so that you can try to maximize the amount of gains that you're going to get, as well as protecting yourself from it coming back down. Because the last thing you want is to have great profit and then watch it fall all the way back down. I've had it happen to me. Everyone that trades has. But we try to protect ourselves from that, and the way you do that is with either a stop loss or a trailing stop loss. So remember that. Catch me in the morning. We'll talk about where I see Friday going. I'll let you know what I'm looking at, how I see things going. And until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.